Are you ready to unlock a whole new level of productivity and creativity? Whether you're a tech junkie, a DIY wizard, or just love smart tools, this is the video you've been waiting for. So buckle up, hit that like button, and get ready to supercharge your workflow with tools you never knew you needed, but now won't be able to live without. Let's dive in.
Multi-compartment tool carrier. The CLC 1539 large multi-compartment tool carrier is the ultimate tool carrier, providing ample space for a wide variety of tools, parts, and accessories, all in one durable bag. It's the perfect choice for tradesmen and installers in the carpentry, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, satellite/cable television, telecom/networking, and general maintenance fields. The tool carrier's roomy inner compartment holds both power tools and larger hand tools, while its large outer compartments offer plenty of room to organize a vast selection of tools and parts. The bag also includes a large carabiner and a tape measure clip on the exterior. RSA Raptor Square. Introducing our new RSA 12 Adjustable Raptor Square, the largest Imperial Raptor Square by TrigJig. Developed for quick and simple marking/laying out of roof trusses, with the smart adjusting fence that locks in position for speed, ease, and repeatability. With 6 marking gauges on the blade, the RSA 12 Adjustable can be used in many carpentry and fabrication projects, though its specialty is for roofing and used with big numbers. The RSA 12 is manufactured in-house from the highest quality European T6 4mm thick aluminum. We CNC machine each tool to tight tolerances with right angle precision of plus or minus 0.008 degrees along the entire length. The RSA 12 has an anti-glare anodized surface to help with outdoor use on sunny days. The laser-marked graduation rulers and parallel scribe scales are recessed in pockets to avoid wear over time. The degree lines are deep engraved so they won't rub off, and as they are made of the same CNC milling machine that profiles the square, the level of precision is excellent. Exact Pipe Cut 280E. The Exact Pipe Cut 280E is manufactured by Exact Tools Oy. This pipe cutting saw has a diameter range from 40mm to 280mm. It is ideally suited for cutting metal pipes due to its 2-speed selection, including automatic fuse and torque control. The Pipe Cut 280E can cut even the hardest cast iron pipes as well as plastic pipes. This saw is ideal for cutting pipes due to its dual speed capability, automatic overload protection, and torque control. It works through the material quickly and efficiently, even on the hardest cast iron pipe. It's also suitable for cutting plastic pipes because it can easily cut through very thick pipe walls. The Pipe Cut 280E can also be attached to a shop vacuum to reduce cleanup time. Wacom Cable Stripper. The Wacom Multi-Stripper No. 400 has a working range of 0.5 to 6mm squared, or 8 and 13mm, and allows flush stripping even in hard-to-reach places. In addition, the multi-stripper can be stored safely and in a space-saving manner thanks to the locking clip. Multi-Purpose Wire Tracing Kit. The T200K is a self-contained kit for tracing a variety of cable types. Includes belt mount case with 5 adapter cables, separate toner and probe. Probe features an LED flashlight for cable tracing in low light areas. Detect wires in a range of applications including buried wires, single strand, broken wires, etc. Not meant for live electrical wires. Suitable for electrical wires, landlines, coaxial cables, automotive cables, etc. Thanks to the tone signal, you can track your cable length through ceilings, under floors, inside walls, etc. quickly without taking the risk of not knowing exactly where your wires are located. Drywall Patch Kit. Repair holes and cracks in drywall or plaster surfaces easily with the one-time wall repair patch. This drywall patch repair kit easily and quickly repair the damaged wall. Just gently squeeze out and use a spatula to smooth. Spackle Wall Repair Kit can be reused. Meet your various repair needs. A self-adhesive mesh holds the sturdy patch in place so there's no pre-pasting required, and after finishing it becomes virtually undetectable. The new upgrade wall patch repair kit is very safe and it does not contain formaldehyde. It is highly resistant to breakage, streak-free, and waterproof, and the mending will be virtually invisible, then giving you professional-looking results. Faycom Plier Wrench. These adjustable pliers are an essential toolbox addition for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The box joint design allows a firm and adjustable grip on various kinds of pipes and fasteners. With a chrome vanadium steel construction, this tool is resistant to corrosion for long and dependable service life. These pliers have a long-reach thin nose head with serrated gripping jaws for complete confidence when applying torque to stubborn or seized parts. Angle Pro Sharpener. The Angle Pro Sharpener includes a patent-pending gauge easily determines the angle of a specific knife. Using a sharp knife to cut ingredients has a huge effect on the finished dish. Cooking times, texture, and flavor are all dependent on how a given ingredient is cut. The patent-pending angle gauge solves this problem by easily and accurately measuring your blade angle. Angle Pro Knife Sharpener allows you to measure your blade angle and then use the corresponding wheels and rods to accurately sharpen your knife at the correct angle. Use 3-in-1 Angle Pro Sharpener to get it right every time. Ceramic wheels to hone, diamond-cutted wheels to sharpen, and tungsten carbide rods to put a new edge on your knife blade. Laminate Fitter. This small tool helps you mark the last board precisely for an exact cut when laying parquet, laminate, or cork. The stop, sliding wheel, and spring-guided gliding elements make it easier to conveniently transfer dimensions with precision. Not only is the exact contour of the wall taken into consideration, but the expansion joints are also automatically incorporated. This rules out measurement errors from the beginning. The wide clamping width of up to 235 centimeters means you can use the laminate fitter for almost every wood flooring. You adjust various dimensions of up to 25 centimeters directly on the bar. Sliding wheel and spring-guided gliding elements for precise and convenient adaptation to the wall profile. Gibert Pipe Scraper. Taking the hard work out of scraping pipes, Gibert has introduced a new 110mm HDPE pipe scraper tool, an essential piece of tool for an installer's tool bag. Although necessary to ensure an optimal connection, pipe scraping can often be time-consuming, awkward, and tiring task. The Gibert D110 pipe scraper takes just 5 seconds per scrape, significantly reducing labor times for the installer. Designed for use with the Gibert HDPE and Silent DB20 pipes and fittings, the easy-to-use pipe scraper perfectly prepares the surface of the pipe or fitting ready for electrofusion welding, with minimal effort required by the installer. Simple to use as an attachment with a standard cordless drill, the D110 pipe scraper for drainage pipes with dimensions of 110mm has an easily replaceable blade so it will always be ready when required. Rigid Professional Tool Storage System. This black rigid 3-piece Pro Tool storage system includes Pro Gear Cart, Pro Organizer, and Pro Toolbox. The Tool Storage System box is the choice of professionals for conveniently having all the right tools at hand whenever they need them. It is made with high-impact resin for long-lasting performance. It offers heavy-duty metal latches and features an integrated water seal to protect against water and dust intrusion. Cordless Impact Wrench. The Ingersoll Rand 1-inch cordless impact wrench combines the power of air with the freedom of cordless mobility. Give your operators the ability to move about freely, no longer tethered to an air hose, in applications where space and maneuverability are at a premium. This powerful cordless impact wrench combines the power of air with the freedom of cordless mobility. Give yourself the ability to move about freely while on the job site, where space and maneuverability are at a premium. The cordless impact presents no fluctuation in pressure, so the tool immediately gives the operator the full amount of power required. With its quick setup and no hoses to trip over, the 1-inch cordless impact wrench promotes better safety and efficiency. Sunex 1,500-pound wheel dolly. The Sunex hydraulic wheel dolly is a cheap, maintenance-free tool that eliminates the need for a jack. This hydraulic wheel dolly can lift up to 1,500 pounds, has locking casters, and comes with a 1-year warranty. It has a broad range of adjustment for different wheel sizes, and it is designed with a foot pedal activated ratcheting mechanism, safety locking casters, and a built-in handle. Each standalone Sunex dolly has a lift arm capable of lifting up to 1,500 pounds. The all-in-one design ensures that you won't accidentally scratch your car and easily slides under a vehicle's wheel. This hydraulic dolly eliminates the need for a jack because it lifts the car up itself. Thanks to its wide lift arm length, this dolly can accommodate tires up to 12.8 inches wide. Bosch Diamond Cutter. The Bosch GDC 120 Professional Marble Cutter results in efficient cutting with a 1200-watt motor. It is a compact marble cutter in its class and comes with a user-friendly design. It has a wide base plate which helps in safer task completion, especially for vertical cutting. The advanced dust insulation mechanism keeps the powerful motor in a good condition for a longer time. Now enjoy a fatigue-free usage with the Bosch GDC 120 Professional. The GDC 120 Professional marble cutter from Bosch is suitable for cutting most types of flat stone and marble. It is handheld and enables easy working. It also comes with a wider base plate, which allows a precise cut. GDC 120 Professional with an ergonomic handle design enables user-friendly operations, especially while slot cutting of brick walls. Power V Clear Clog Drains Fast. Clean drains fast with General Pipe Cleaner's Power V Power Drain Cleaner with automatic feed. Easy to operate, the automatic feed is like having an extra hand in tight and awkward places. Just squeeze the lever and the cable feeds or retrieves up to 16 feet per minute. The Power V effortlessly unclogs sinks, showers, toilets, and laundry drains ranging from diameters of 1 1/4 inches to 3 inches, at a distance up to 50 feet. The Power V features quick change cable cartridges for fast cable changing or cleaning. An exclusive Dynathrust bearing system reduces bearing weight and extends the lifetime of the tool. The Power V also has tough FlexiCore wire rope center cables that have unequaled strength with just the right amount of flexibility, so tough that they carry a 1-year warranty against defects or breakage. Be sure to take advantage of the optional handy stand and turn your Power V into a countertop or floor machine. Greenlee Hydraulic Punching Tool. This lithium-ion battery-operated hydraulic punch driver provides a huge variety of punching applications for a range of materials, such as mild steel and stainless steel. Its compact, ergonomic design and rotating flexible aluminum head is ideal for use in combined and difficult areas. Compatible with all Greenlee punching tools, the LS50 Flex and the LS100 Flex boast a long life expectancy due to the automatic stop which prevents damage to the driver. An integrated pressure sensor increases the service life of the hole punch.
External spring pipe bender. Made from oil-hardened and tempered spring steel with a zinc-plated finish. Used in daily life. Premium spring steel and heat-hardened technology make our springs solid and durable. Spring tube bender is a perfect tool for bending thin wall tube to the precise angle, up to 180 degrees, without crimping or collapsing the pipe. 5 different outer diameters of spring tube benders are offered to you, including a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, and 3/4 inch. 13.7 foot in length, suitable for most pipe sizes, which can satisfy your diverse demands. These spring tube benders are made of oil-hardened and tempered spring steel, returned to original shape after use. With a galvanized surface, it is non-toxic and durable, not easy to rust, and can be applied for both indoor and outdoor use. Viega PEX Press. PEXFit Pro pipes are as flexible as you wish and as durable and reliable as you expect them to be. In combination with the new press connectors made of PPSU and Viega red brass connectors, they offer maximum safety when it comes to drinking water. PEXFit Pro Fasta and PEXFit Pro Plus pipes are entirely suitable for use in drinking water installation. They are hygienic and fulfill all regulatory requirements as well as those for Viega press connectors. The PEXFit Pro system not only convinces due to its new, durable pipe, but also due to the sizes of connectors that range from 14 to 63 millimeters, all of them coming with the Viega SC Contour. The extremely tight connectors with pre-assembled press sleeves made of stainless steel create an optimal holding function and prevent twisting after pressing. MegaPress XL. MegaPress from Viega ushered in the era of thick-walled steel pipe pressing for the sizes 3/8 to 2 inches. The MegaPress SXL range with the innovative press gun press booster means that a scope of application for cold press connecting technology now includes the sizes 2.5, 3 and 4 inches for steel pipes. Absolutely fire safe, because neither flames nor fumes arise with cold press connecting technology are perfectly suited for use in industrial facilities such as cooling, heating, sprinkler, or compressed air systems. Prevost Piping System. Prevost Piping System is the new range for compressed air networks made entirely of aluminum. PPS ensures a leak-free, easy-to-assemble network consisting of aluminum pipes and fittings, compact, lightweight, and impact-resistant. This full aluminum mesh range is designed, developed, and manufactured in Europe. The Prevost Piping System network guarantees a durable installation and well-powered workstations. The aluminum alloy used, associated with an external layer made with epoxy paints and a specific internal treatment, protects the pipe from oxidation and corrosion. The PPS-1 fitting allows to create constructions with extreme modularity. Aluminum guarantees excellent performance in terms of mechanical, pressure, and impact resistance. The flow rates are optimal thanks to a perfectly smooth internal surface of the tube, a low coefficient of friction, and a large passage diameter. H305 connector. Cantherm H305 coupling is equipped with an EPDM gasket and allows for joining plain ends of plastic pipes in diameters DN50, DN450. One of its distinguishing features is the extremely simple connection technique, which eliminates the need to use specialized tools or qualifications. The use of the H305 coupling, as opposed to the traditional method of joining HDP, that is welding, saves a significant amount of time, which is a scarce commodity on every construction site. It also makes work independent from weather conditions and potential risks like dealing with hot parts. The assembly is based on purely mechanical connections thanks to a special housing design, as well as bolts and nuts, with the use of the simplest of tools. Professional Pipe Freeze. The Professional Pipe Freeze kit allows you to work quickly and efficiently without draining down the system or switching off the mains. Save time and money with the reusable components in each kit, which come in a purpose-built carry case, making transportation a breeze. The kit contains 700 G, 580 milliliters, refrigerant which is sufficient for 7 individual freezes on 15 millimeters copper pipe. The Porter 4 allows 4 canisters of Polar spray to be safely stored and transported. Multi/Joint 3000 Plus. Using the Multi/Joint 3000 Plus system, gas or water pipe networks are quick, safe, and simple to connect without the need for special tools. The Multi/Joint 3000 Plus system easily connects pipes from distribution and transport grids, made of a wide variety of material with a wide range of outside diameters. Thanks to the flexibility of Multi/Joint 3000 Plus, meeting the specifications of a wide variety of materials or outside diameters of the pipelines is no longer a challenge. Connections or repairs are carried out by means of a restraint pull-out resistance system. This eliminates the need to work with thrust blocks. High-Clean Automation System. The High-Clean Automation System is a state-of-the-art circulation control system that is quick and easy to install and commission. It gives also the possibility to automatize flushing of the water lines. It allows for all system data to be logged, evaluated, and displayed on a 10-inch touchscreen. All system data can be conveniently monitored remotely. Status information and unusual occurrences are reported via push messages. Simple to install, with only one cable for electricity and data. Fast software-assisted commissioning. Master automatically detects type and ID of all connected controllers. Jutec Bending System 5000. The bending system with freestanding bending head for difficult geometries can easily be modified to right-hand and left-hand bending. The pluggable bending tools enable quick retrofitting for bending other tube dimensions. A fast hydraulic system for reducing bending times is an important factor for series production. The locking clamp pressure for tube clamping can be optimally adjusted. The SPS control with data storage and latest X2X interface can store over 1,000 programs for bending angle, linear measure, and torsion angle for a maximum of 50 bending sequences at one tube length. A freely programmable database up to 500 of materials is available for monitoring the elastic recovery values. ComApp. ComApp multi-layer fittings and pipes are suitable for all domestic water and heating installations. This range is designed for new construction or renovation and can be used for exposed or concealed networks. The ComApp skin system of pipes and fittings is available in diameters of 16 to 63 millimeters, removable visa control, ring, guaranteeing a well-positioned tool, TH profile, and visual and tactile indicator for crimping. Less risk of theft. On average, multi-layer piping is a third as expensive as copper piping. Laser marking is the guarantee of legible and indelible information for product traceability. Tin plating fittings good aesthetics and avoids corrosion in built-in installations. Multi-angle wrench. Designed for working on difficult-to-access fittings. This multi-angle wrench is manufactured from CRV and has a lightweight aluminum handle. The head of the wrench can be manipulated into 10 different positions with a simple push-of-the-button adjustment, making inaccessible fittings a thing of the past. Narid tools provide a comprehensive range of plumbing products that are constructed to the highest standards, making everyday plumbing tasks easier to carry out. Rigid RP219. The RP219 is the new complete and versatile pressing machine that allows the user access in the smallest spaces with its lightweight and ultra-thin inline design, in addition to the complete rotation of the head of 350 degrees. The RP219 also allows the user lightning fast pressing, access to machine diagnostics, multiple power sources, and a wide range of compact 19-notch jaws. Palm ratchet screwdriver set. 49 PCS 1/4 inch combination drive socket set and wrench set tool contains all the tools needed for home, DIY work, or bolt/screw removal in a workshop. Made from high-quality chrome vanadium, fully hardened and tempered. The copper color S2 bits ensures longer durability and precision. Ratchet wrench, extension bars, spinner handle, bit adapter, universal joint, sliding T-bar, Torx, hex, and slotted socket bits are included in this comprehensive kit. The tools come with rubber non-slip handles, which offer an ergonomic grip for optimal comfort and control. Basin Buddy. This Superior Tools Basin Buddy faucet nut wrench is a helpful item to have for your various projects. It is made with high-quality aluminum for reliability. This Superior Tool faucet nut wrench is designed to fit on most lock nuts, connectors, and toilet connections. Plus, it comes with a ratchet adapter. This plumbing faucet wrench helps to tighten and remove parts. Once coupling nut is removed, cutaway fits around the faucet shank. 1/2 inch to remove metal and plastic nuts. Makita double ratchet wrench. Quickly ratchet nuts and bolts without removing the wrench from the fastener. Off-corner loading provides a stronger grip on fasteners, allowing you to apply up to 25% more torque with less rounding. Innovative design gives you the speed and extra productivity of ratcheting with the access and convenience of an open-end wrench. 72-tooth ratcheting box end needs as little as 5 degrees to move a fastener compared to 30 degrees for a standard box end wrench. Electric hydrostatic test pump. Electric hydrostatic test pumps are designed for pressure testing water systems such as water meters, plumbing lines, pressure vessels, solar systems, and sprinkler systems in both residential and commercial buildings. The output pressure is easily adjusted by turning a knob and watching the attached gauge. A built-in bypass allows for automatic water recirculation once the set pressure is reached. The hose-to-pump connection features a quick disconnect with built-in check valve, which allows for convenient setup and portability. Durable pump has stainless steel piston and brass cylinder for long pump life. Replacement seal kits available to sustain pump efficiency.
Wacker-Neuson DV60. The driver's cab concept allows the operator to turn the seat and console 180 degrees to determine the viewing and driving direction. The rotation can be conveniently performed from the driver's seat by simply unlocking the seat console and then turning it around. With a dual view, the operator always has full visibility ahead. When unloading, he looks in the direction of the skip. Before continuing driving, the operator swivels the seat and console so he is facing in the driving direction. It is more efficient for the operator to quickly rotate the seat and drive than use time-consuming maneuvers and fuel to reposition the machine between traveling and unloading. There's an enhanced degree of safety on the job site because the operator always has an optimal view of the site. The dual view operates like a construction truck, but is significantly more suitable for off-road applications. Inoxatape. This tape is used to achieve professional grained finishes on stainless steel miter joints. The tape is normally applied at 45 degrees, usually over the sanded-out TIG weld, after one leg of the fabrication has been grained. The tape protects the edge of a newly brushed area as the second leg is grained. The tape is very thin stainless steel to avoid contamination with an adhesive base. It can be cut easily with scissors to the required length. MaxiCut. As the name suggests, The MaxiCut is designed for maximum output, i.e., for cutting large quantities of cable trunking. In order to still be able to work with ease, it is equipped with a powerful hydraulic unit, durable cutting plates, and a special workbench with workbench. This guarantees consistently high-quality work results, even when the machine is constantly in use. The cutting plates that are adapted to your requirements for precision cutting to length of fletched cable trunking. Customizable configuration lets you cut different types of cable trunking with just the one cutting plate. Frameless design lets you fit a large variety of cutting contours. Wall chaser. The EMF 180.2 wall chaser easily cuts two parallel grooves up to 1 13/16 inches or 46 millimeters wide by 2 2/5 inch 60 millimeters deep. The high-performance 20-amp, 2200-watt motor is the most powerful in its class. It operates with two parallel diamond blades, quickly milling a channel in concrete and masonry materials. Closed vacuum hood for efficient dust collection, optimal airflow, and easy removal of fragments, and a vacuum hose lock. With accessory 3-blade spacer, cut up to 3 slots for up to 30% faster breakout. P36 STE bending machine. A bar bending machine is a processing machine used in widespread applications such as the building and construction industry. A steel bar bending machine is used for bending bars of specific thicknesses into arcs between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. An efficient bar bending and cutting machine can bend steel rebar and round bar to give it an appropriate shape easily and quickly. Electric motor transmit power to gearbox where speed is decreased and torque is increased, which is used to bend the bar with the help of circular plate. Bend at any required angle for bar having dia. Smart tie. The Smart tie is a fast and innovative rebar tying system. It is composed of a device adaptable to any screwdriver and a wide range of clips for the most various rebar tying combinations. Made in aluminum and special steel. Twin-tier technology allows the Smart tie to tie 4,000 ties per change, while delivering just the right amount of wire for greater productivity and cost savings. Compared to hand tying, this tool can reduce the risk of musculoskeletal injuries. Easy Tilt 2 bracket. The Easy Tilt 2 double tilt action button float bracket attaches to Fresno's or bull floats. The bracket is made of rugged yet lightweight aluminum for durability. Control the pitch of the blade with the turn of the handle. Turning the handle eliminates the need for bending and lifting when moving tools across fresh concrete. Chain secures the bracket and eliminates overextension of the bracket. Used with 1 3/8 or 1 3/4 snap button bull float brackets. Fits 2 or 4 hole bull floats. PHT Multi-Quip. The Machinex powered hand truck PHT2-140 is a universal materials handling solution that enables one-person operation to safely lift and load small equipment or bulky goods weighing up to 140 kilograms. It provides a quick and easy alternative to using a forklift or tailgate loader for small loads. This Machinex lift has many applications that can be used in workshops, warehouses, factories, depots, distribution companies, and rental yards. The unique design enables one-person operation to lift and load directly into vehicles or to place equipment and small loads on bench tops. Baumesser Contour Pro. Often, when decorating rooms with tiles, it is necessary to make a hole for which there is no drill of the required diameter in hand. The Baumesser Contour Pro contour finger cutters for ceramics and porcelain stoneware come to the rescue. Using a cutter, you can expand the holes to the desired diameter. It is not necessary to hold a whole set of drills. You can also efficiently machine curved surfaces along a given contour. The cutters are made using vacuum sintering technology. High-strength diamonds is used. Milling is fast and productive. The cutter has a seat M14. Installed on angle grinder, works in dry mode at maximum angle grinder speed. Available in 3 diameters, 10, 25, 50 millimeters. With a diameter of 50 millimeters, the milling cutter has the highest speed, softness of grinding, and the highest resource. It is used for holes with large diameters of 100 to 120 millimeters and more. Diamond Drill Bit RS-TX. Designed for micro hammer drills, the RS-TX diamond drill is the fastest dry drilling tool available today. The screw drill body effectively removes cuttings from the drilling area, The laser-wielded diamond segments on the body are turbocharged with high-strength, well-arranged diamond. The drilling speed of an 82mm hole in 20 cm thick M300 concrete reaches 2.5 minutes without the use of cooling. The bit is installed on micro-impact drilling machines. It is 300mm long and has a 1 1/4 UNC shank. Remote Control Searchlight. Utility Remote Control Searchlight is the first of its kind, allowing power utility users to spot lines and flood fields from up to 1,250 yards away. This cordless light performs with up to 4,250 lumens of TrueView high-definition output and adapts to provide either spot or flood mode. Also included is a pre-paired wireless remote control that enables the light to rotate, adjust, and power from afar. This light is also OneKey compatible, making it controllable via the OneKey online app. The Milwaukee Utility Remote Control Searchlight is weather-resistant to survive outdoor use. The LEDs never need to be replaced with a 5-year tool warranty and a limited lifetime LED warranty. Mobile Electric Scissor Lift. Scissor lifts are typically aerial work platforms used indoors or outdoors when mostly vertical movement is needed. Scissor lifts have relatively large platforms, which makes them perfectly suitable for use in different types of industries, such as painting and cleaning, which require space to move about. All machines come in both diesel and electrically powered models. Diesel-powered scissor lifts are typically used in situations that require a larger platform and a bigger lifting capacity. Also, diesel scissor lifts can be used on different kinds of terrain. The electric scissor lift can easily be deployed both indoors and outdoors. Hilti Die Grinder. Built for higher performance, this cordless die grinder has the high torque and brushless motor you need for optimal performance. Variable speed die grinder, adjustable from 10,000 to 25,000 RPM to select the best balance of high-speed material removal and fine finishing. Brushless motor maximizes power output from cordless die grinders while helping reduce the maintenance required compared to corded or air die grinders. Designed for efficiency, engineered to remove more metal per battery charge and per minute, helping you get more done in less time. Advanced ergonomics, lock-on switch, and well-balanced tool body give you the comfort and control needed for precise metalwork. 2-in-1 Coated Impact Socket. This coated impact socket features two sizes, 3/4 inch and 9 16 inch, in one tool. Designed for use with an impact wrench, this socket is 20% lighter than traditional impact sockets. The 12-point design is easier to position and works with square fasteners. Single-ended impact socket with hands-free adjustment between socket sizes. The bright blue durable plastic coating protects against damage from scratching and abrasion and is easy to spot in a crowded bucket. Duex Angle Drilling Table. Every detail in a drill press is focused on delivering one thing: vertical holes. A few have tilting tables, but using that feature is something most of us try to avoid, fearing the attempt to return the drill press back to square. Whether you dread adjusting the angle of the table or yours is fixed at 90 degrees, Woodpecker's new Duex Angle Drilling Table provides unparalleled control in setting, aligning, and securing your work anytime you need to drill at an angle, or two. The table and fence will get your material placed correctly. Adding the clamping kit ensures it will stay in place safely while you drill. The clamping kit includes a wedge system to clamp your work against the fence and a pair of our pivot clamps to hold your work securely down to the table. Rigid PTC-400. The PTC 400 power tubing cutter is an efficient, portable, durable, and reliable professional tubing cutting machine. Quickly cuts stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, aluminum, and plastic. The portable design enables it to be easily carried to, from, and around the job site. PTC 400 power tubing cutter is an ideal choice for on-site projects of commercial, residential, and industrial work environments. At a weight of 32 pounds, compact size, integrated handle, and cord wrap makes it convenient to carry and easy to store. Quick acting engagement feature and easy-to-use feed screw ensure high-speed cutting. 2 rotating speeds for smooth cuts on long or short tubes. Foot bulb allows for hands-free control of the power. Optimal cutter wheel profile allows for an efficient cold cutting operation, resulting in a smooth quality cut. Alrock DPC 10-45. Alrock DCP 10-45 provides a neat and straight cut at the edge of the cable insulation in a mid-span location on the table by the cutting joiner or splicer. Easy stripping by gently applying pressure, right or left, on the handle when rotating the tool. Cable preparation is essential to the performance and stability of MV/HV cable joins and terminations. If cables are prepared incorrectly, using substandard tools or basic hand tools, then the risk of incidents of cable failure is increased. Axminster Wet and Dry Grinder. The AC-125 WDG is a combined dry and whetstone grinder/sharpening machine. Most notably, the 120-gram whetstone is horizontal, running at 230 RPMs. There's a water reservoir with a simple tap to control the water flow onto the stone. The machine has a simple but adjustable knife jig, allowing chisels, plane blades, knives, etc. to be clamped for honing. A horizontal stone creates the best edge shape, having no concave profile behind the edge. Also included is a 100-gram, 125mm diameter aluminum oxide dry stone, which is 50 millimeters wide and can be used for sharpening your tool's edge before using the whetstone for honing. Heavily built with a cast iron base, this machine is very well suited to the home woodworking workshop. With some time spent learning to use this machine, some very good results can be achieved. Finitube Belt Sander. The Sebo Finitube pipe, tube, and cylinder sander is one of the most innovative and ingeniously designed tools available for turning stainless steel to satin or mirror finish. This unit wraps a full 270 degrees around the tube, and 360 degrees can be achieved with just a small movement. Available in 110 and 230 volt versions. High-quality satin finishing and bright metal polishing with the SMFT Finitube, you can deal with everything, even pipes up to 125 millimeters. Belts on the Finitube polisher track perfectly even when working on bends. The Finitube is easy to use, even by inexperienced user, and abrasive belts can be changed in no time at all. Star Key. The SSK-75 Star Key has an LG flower pattern on one side and an LC 7-point star pattern on the other. The SSK-85 Star Key has an LB 8-point star pattern on one end and an LS 5-point star pattern on the other. Keys are two-sided, just switch from one side to the other for each pattern. Locking ring on the hex of the key holds it in place while in use. Made from carbon steel with a black oxide finish for maximum durability and corrosion resistance. Portable electro-hydraulic notching tool. The hydraulic hole puncher uses a high-power motor with a punching speed of 2 to 3 seconds. The machine is precisely built to position accurately. This hole punch is portable and can be operated anytime, anywhere. Equipped with an auxiliary handle, it can be operated by hand, which is convenient for working at different angles. It can also be installed on the base to work on the platform. This hydraulic punch is suitable for 3 to 8 millimeter thick copper plate or aluminum plate, 3 to 6 millimeter thick iron plate or steel plate, angle steel, and angle iron. However, it does not apply to channel steel. It can be used on-site or fixed in the factory for large-scale punching operations. Flaring Spin. The flaring spin tool is designed for the most common tubing diameters in HVAC. Using an innovative technology, the original swagging and flaring spins are a new concept in HVAC tools, ready to quickly flare or expand any copper or aluminum tube in just a few seconds. This spin flaring tool makes flares with the ideal dimensions for a perfect packing due to a wider area of contact between the flare surface and the valve/tube accessory. 4-in-1 Nut Driver. This versatile compact multi-socket nut driver is a handy tool for your pocket or pouch. It is designed for the trade professional and offers superior performance, ease of use, and long service life. A quick-release positive lock secures telescoping shafts in position and prevents collapsing when forceful inline pressure is applied during use. Hardened chrome vanadium steel sockets offer sure fastener engagement and control. The comfortable 3-lobe handle is made of high-torque ABS plastic, and a non-slip TPR over-molded grip offers additional comfort and control on the job. Texoro. The sanding roller is perfect for sanding curved, profiled, and structured wooden or metallic surfaces. It reaches into inaccessible areas, sanding banisters, profiled skirting boards, garage doors, and contoured furniture effortlessly. Electronic speed pre-selection and accessory range for material-specific working. Electronic speed pre-selection and a wide range of accessories enable a variety of applications across several materials. It has Bosch SDS and auto lock for quick and easy accessory changes, a cylindrical handle with a soft grip for comfortable handling, as well as a dust extraction hood to enable low dust working. Peanut 2 Mini Jig. The Peanut Mini Jig is the ultimate jig for hidden connectors. The jig allows woodworkers to take advantage of 3 invisible connector systems: the Peanut 2 system, dominoes, and dowels. Each system can be used for 90 degrees and 45 degree connections. The Peanut 2 and Peanut 2 short connectors are incredibly strong and completely invisible fixings which clamp and pull the materials together from the inside. The Peanut 2 is perfect for 90 degree joints, and the Peanut 2 short allows for 45 degree and face-to-face connections. The compact design of the Peanut 2 mini jigs means that it can be used in your home workshop or on-site and are supplied with a handy carry bag for easy transportation. Cutting and polishing techs. Are you looking for flexible abrasive material in order to clean a workpiece such as this screw and the outer screw thread to the point of perfection? Use the Cutting and Polishing Techs by Sibo, CPC, that allows for rust and residual grease to be removed even from hard-to-reach places. Because of its flexibility, Tech's abrasive material has the advantage because it does not affect the geometry of the workpiece to be treated. But the CPC version takes this a step further. Its slightly more aggressive structure means that you can always benefit from increased abrasive power. Trend Door Hinge Jig. The Trend Professional Hinge Jig Kit is ideally used on-site and in joinery shops to increase productivity with excellent results. With 4 apertures for fire door requirements, this construction equipment can tackle any door hanging jobs. There's no need for marking out in the conventional way, with the quick and simple to set up so the hinge can be used as a pattern. Making clean and accurate recesses are achieved every time. This jig kit is suitable for timber-based doors and square butt hinges. Perfect to use with a light-duty router and a 1/4-inch collet. Using this hinge jig may also require a long-reach router cutter, 12 mm diameter with 70 mm overall length. Angled position slots help prevent creep, and the jig thickness allows it to be used on frames with a maximum 25 mm thick with fixed stop fitted. Cordless Miter Saw T18S. Compact and portable 18-volt 184 mm miter saw for precision trim work and first and second fixed carpentry for high-quality professional finishes. Lightweight, compact, and portable, only 9.56 kilograms, and ideal for multiple woodworking trade applications in the workshop and the job site. The perfect size for first fixed stud and joist work, second fixed skirtings and architraves, finished moldings, plinths, cornice, and lighting rails. Streetwise Blaster Brush. The Blaster Brush is an innovative car wash brush that can effectively wash and rinse your car in under 10 minutes. It comes with patented technology that converts a mains water supply into a pressurized jet spray, which is completely separate from the bristle head, giving you the most effective wash and clean. The Blaster Brush is simple to use. Just connect the kit to the hose pipe, turn the water on, and then flick the switch on the Blaster Brush to spray water at a higher pressure. No electricity required. It is perfect for cleaning cars, bikes, windows, vans, bins, garden furniture, gutter, and so much more. Ferret Tools. The Ferret Pro, designed and engineered by Ferret Tools, is a professional and durable next-generation inspection tool designed and engineered with award-winning features to provide easier, faster, and safer visual inspections. Includes app-controlled variable focus lenses and super fast charge. Built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless and rechargeable. Provides a high-resolution live stream with a wireless range up to 50 feet or 15 meters. If you need to locate and pull in cable or need to get your eyes on something out of reach, then the Ferret Pro is the perfect tool. Adjustable bright white LEDs easily glides into confined dark crawl spaces. Bright white LEDs help investigate, locate, diagnose, and fix problems. Ideal tool for electricians and other trades. For those of you that care about having the most reliable and durable tools with the latest smart technology to help work faster, easier, and safer, inspect with a Ferret. Fiber Cement Siding Snip. Malco's FCSR fiber cement siding snip is designed to cut 5 1/16 inch or 7.9 millimeters siding plank. The FCSR snip makes precise arc and trim cuts from any work position fast and easy. Hardened all-steel construction with rust-resistant nickel plating and black oxide finish ensure long service life. The Malco FCSR fiber cement siding snip also features ergonomic redline handle technology. An engineered handle opening complements the natural power stroke of any user's hand and maximizes the power 7-to-1 mechanical advantage of compound leverage head to handle linkage. Comfortable handle grip contours, a non-slip grip insert, spring handle actuation, and a thumb-operable handle latch ensure a natural fit and feel for comfortable one-hand operation anywhere on the job. Chain Ring Nut Tool. Designed to access the narrow spaces behind the chain set, this low-profile chain ring nut spanner holds the nut still to prevent it from turning when tightening or loosening the chain ring bolt using a hex or star key. Low-profile chain ring nut spanner designed to access the narrow spaces behind the chain rings. Made of chrome vanadium steel and through hardened heat treatment, high strength, anti-rust, and durable. Double-ended to fit most slotted type nuts. 9mm and 10mm sleeve hole on both sides is compatible with most brands of chainring bolts. Makes chainring bolt set installation and removal easy. Handy tool for holding the rear of chain wheel studs while you loosen or tighten them. Hikoki Cordless Impact Driver WH36DC. Introducing Hikoki Cordless Impact Driver. Easy to use, achieves the fastest, shortest, and lightest in the industry. Improved anvil and bearing accuracy, and reduced bit shaking. It holds firmly so power transfers to bits. A variety of modes to choose from for your needs. Suitable for delicate and heavy-duty work. Won't stop even at low speeds. Finely adjustable for improved integrity with the aircraft. Improved anvil and bearing accuracy and reduced bit shaking. It holds firmly so power transfer to bits. Drill Strap Winder. Drill strap winder for your drill. Enjoy an effortless strap winding in a few seconds. Demands nearly no maintenance and fits every drill capable to fit a 10mm shaft. The perfect companion for those who use lashing straps periodically and have a drill. BACCG Battery Cartridge Gun. 20-volt cordless drive cartridge adhesive caulking gun for use on a 1/10 gallon or 10 ounce or 300 milliliter cartridges, with LED working light to illuminate working area and battery indicator to remind the remaining battery capacity. The built-in motor delivers 1,250 pounds of dispensing force to dispense the highest adhesives and sealants. Maximum speed 23 inches per minute, 9.5 millimeters a second, weight pounds, lightweight yet powerful. KVT Adjustable Pliers. Replaces the need for sets of metric and imperial scanners. Smooth jaws for damage-free installation of plated fittings. Working directly on chrome. Adjustable tightening tool and also excellent for gripping, holding, pressing, and bending workpieces. Zero backlash jaw pressure prevents damage to edges of sensitive components. Push the button for adjustment on the workpiece. The ratchet-type principle allows quick and easy tightening and releases of all bolted connections. Parallel jaw gives a more solid grip. Its design allows flexible adjustment of all widths, up to the specified maximum size. Tenga DX200. Tenga DX200 is a powerful multi-purpose cutter equipped with a 1700-watt motor for the efficient removal of old window frames by cutting into the wood frame. The all-round cut allows windows to be removed without damaging the surrounding brickwork or the windowsill. The Tenga DX200 is characterized by its impressive 70mm cutting depth, smooth running guidance, and powerful motor for high working speed. Lightweight, with the maximum cut depth and power in even the smallest installation spaces. Corner and longitudinal cuts by means of rapid rotation of the base plate. This cut in all sides allows the window to be removed without damaging the surrounding masonry or windowsill. The pivoting base plate allows for quick adjustment of the machine from straight cuts to corner cuts. Sumake Minimal Air Tool Series. Sumake Air Tools are an integral part of the production tool range from Sumake. Sumake Air Tools are versatile, efficient, and reliable. The new Sumac Minimal Air Tool series is featured with consistent mini body design and multi-purpose working head options to deal with any hard-to-access working area such as vehicle underlifting, engine bay, deep structure, and spot rough surface. The tool range is available in straight, extended, and angled versions to match all mechanics' needs. Designed to be with a series working head parts to cover the work applications of nut tightening, drilling, cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing. Groover 500 LP. The Groover 500 LP cordless grooving machine from Leicester uses a general-purpose milling cutter to mill grooves for weld seams and joints when laying resilient floor coverings of plastic and natural materials. The cordless drive eliminates the need to rely on electric power outlets and extension cables. The risk of tripping over cables that are lying around is also minimized. It also makes switching from one room to another hassle-free and significantly quicker. The Groover 500 LP cordless grooving machine is battery-powered and therefore requires no cables, yet is just as flexible in use as a conventional joint plane or joint gouge. Thanks to its compact design, the Groover 500 LP is ideally suited for use on both small and large areas of floor covering on a variety of floor surfaces, such as gymnasiums, schools, kindergartens, and other public facilities. Hydraulic Steel Cutter. The cutting head of this rebar cutting tool is made of high-strength forged steel with high hardness. The rebar cutter blades have been through a special heat treatment, having a good expansion ability. It is a manual integral hydraulic cutter tool through an 8-ton cylinder to generate pressure with good tightness and no oil leakage, to generate pressure, to produce large force for rebar cutting. The one-person operation. Save your time and energy. Thickened, anti-slip, and insulated handle give you comfortable and safe using experience. Suitable for long-lasting use. Durable design and exquisite workmanship make it fit for your needs. Universal Inside Spring Vise Set. Universal application on almost all passenger cars. Anti-rotation device for lowering tension jaws, integrated in the base component, reduces the outer dimension to only 32 mm thanks to compact design. Pendulum hexagonal head for equal force distribution with integrated anti-rotation protection for upper tensioning jaws. Extension of the span to 120 mm and an increase of a maximum load for increasing vehicle weights, electric and hybrid vehicles, for safe working up to 31,000 newtons. Tested with at least 4-fold safety against breakage. One-side counter holder for the spindle made possible by hexagonal on top. For example, with combinations wrench, Hatset 613, for removal and installation of springs with a small coil spacing, for example with the Mini Cooper S. Edict City Coax Cable Crimper. The Edict City Multifunctional Coax Compression Connector Adjustable Tool is the perfect item for customizing coax cables to the perfect length without spending hours online finding the cable for the right size. Featuring 3 different adapters for different types of connectors and a built-in cable cutter, this product has everything you need to get the job done. Compatible with almost all connectors, this device makes cutting F, BNC, and RCA cables to the desired length a breeze. Anti-slip handle is made of soft rubber material to increase friction, making it comfortable to use. You can lock the handle by the neck clamp to protect the compression tool after using. Whether to install a satellite dish, CCTV, move cable TV, and cable modem, or wire up the cables for your new house, this coax crimper set is all you need. Veto Pack XL. This is the open-top version of the award-winning Veto Pro Pack XL, featuring the same sturdy construction and ergonomic features, but offering integral vertical pockets and open spaces to store larger punch list items. This is a setup, grab-and-go bag which, like all OT bags, offers quick open-top accessibility and tool storage convenience. A number of changes have been made to tailor the bag to accommodate service technicians' tools and work routines. The Veto Pack XL with 80 pockets and ample pocket room for hand tools, parts boxes, meters, a cordless impact drill, and other bulkier items. Ultra Mini G4 Level. The new Ultra Mini G4 has many features that help make bending conduits and hard pipe easy and precise. It includes 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and 90 degree vial ports that are viewable from the top when bending conduit with bender tool. A 30 degree/0 degree offset calculation is engraved on the side of the body for quick reference when performing bends. A thumb screw ties the Ultra Mini G4 onto the cut end of any pipe or conduit, and an exclusive notch machined in the end of the body compensates for the burr created when cutting the size to create perfect alignment every time. Power Box 1. Klein Tools' rugged Power Box uses powerful magnets to easily mount anywhere in the metal job box or other magnetic surfaces, and includes built-in hanging holes for fixed mounting locations. Easily distribute power across your job box with 5-foot durable power cord. Integrated LED lighting illuminates the inside of the dark job box to quickly find gear. Besides the 4 surge-protected 120-volt outlets, the 2 USB-A and 1 45-watt USB-C ports allow for convenient charging of personal devices including phones, tablets, and laptops. Integrated LED lights brighten up any job box to locate stored tools, batteries, and cords. Ultimate Doweling Jig 2.0. Dowels add both mechanical strength and additional glue surface to joints. The tricky part is putting the dowel holes in the correct place on the mating pieces. Most of the doweling jigs on the market are one-trick ponies at best, allowing you to create one specific type of joint. Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the Ultimate Doweling Jig, takes the doweling jig to another level with variable spacing, incremental fence positioning, stops with extensions, a second fence for midfield dowel locations, and the flexibility to use up to 5 different dowel sizes. Mojack Lawnmower Lift. Sharpen blades, remove debris, change belts. Mojack riding lawnmower lifts make it safe and easy. Mojack mower lifts are designed with patented technology to make it a tool that will work with any riding lawnmower on the market. From residential lawn and garden tractors to commercial zero-turn mowers, Mojack has you covered with a full line of lifts. The Mojack lifts also take your safety to heart with our built-in safety features, including automatic locking mechanisms to ensure the lift will not come down until you're ready, and safety straps that secure the wheels in place on the wheel pads. Tube Cutting Guide. Tube cutter for fork steerer tubes, handlebars, seat posts, or any round tubing up to 31.75 millimeters or 1 1/4 inch diameter. This tool ensures a professional and accurate cut every time. The internal contact points on the guide are non-scratching nylon and support the tube being cut so it's not crushed or damaged. It is designed to be clamped in a bench vise, allowing the user both hands to steady the cutting process. Steerer tube cutting guide suitable for 1 inch, 1 1/8 inch, and 1 1/4 inch. Threadless fork steerers can also be used when trimming down handlebars and seat posts. Clamping components made from non-scratching nylon to help prevent damage to chrome or paintwork. Handjet Handheld Printer. The EBS 260 Handjet Portable Printer is a handheld inkjet printer that directly marks products such as concrete, corrugated boxes, metal pipes, polywoven bags, wood, and other raw materials. Simply and quickly, easily configure this handjet for handheld inkjet printing of lot numbers, pipe heat numbers, dates, time, and any text. Matrix Box Slim. The smart solution for the kitchen, bathroom, living area, office, or shop. The Hofele Matrix Box Slim system, which has been developed and produced in Germany, combines perfect performance with maximum diversity and can be used universally thanks to its contemporary design, excellent workmanship, and ease of installation. Have 10% more storage space on average thanks to the vertical inner drawer inside. 3 system heights, 60, 92, and 115 millimeters, 9 nominal lengths, and load-bearing capacities up to 70 kilograms, having pre-installed rear panel brackets for rational and functional manufacturing. Tormek T4 Bushcraft. With the Tormek T4 Bushcraft, you can sharpen a wide variety of outdoor knives, hunting knives, fishing knives, and different axes. The grinder is equipped with Tormek's original grindstone, which gives you 2 different cutting actions in one wheel. You can easily alternate between a coarse sharpening at 220 grit and a fine sharpening having a surface equivalent of 1000 grit. This means that you can both restore a destroyed tool and make it as new again, but also easily just touch up a blunt edge. By finishing a sharpening process on the leather honing wheel, you polish the bevel and remove the burr which develops during grinding. This gives your tool the maximum sharpness and a polished edge which lasts for a lifetime. Cable Comb. The cable comb substantially cuts labor time in any application where a multitude of single cables must be bundled neatly for a professional-appearing installation. This innovative two-piece tool enables cable technicians to quickly and efficiently strengthen, organize, and lash single cables into single, multi-cable bundles with ease. Unger OmniClean. Are you still using a single-chamber commercial mop bucket and germ-saturated string mop for your floor cleaning? Truly clean your floors with the Unger OmniClean Professional Floor Cleaning System. The Unger Dual Bucket Mop System separates the dirty water from the clean water so cleaning water stays clean 13 times longer than with a single-chamber bucket. The OmniClean Floor Cleaning System removes over 90% of dirt from the floor, isolating it in a dirty bucket so you can use clean water for your floor cleaning. The powerful scrub board removes dirt, grime, and germs and isolates it in the dirty water bucket. The horizontal wringer removes the remaining debris, leaving you with a clean mop pad. Rims Multi-Push. Only one device for flushing with water or device air mixture, disinfection, cleaning, preservation of pipe systems, for pressure and leak testing of pipe systems and vessels with compressed air or water. Example, drinking water installations, radiators, or area heating systems, as a pneumatic pump for controlled filling of all type of vessels with compressed air, for example for pumping air expansion vessels, or tires and for operating pneumatic tools. Additionally, with hydropneumatic water pump and 1.5-inch high-pressure hose, 1.5 meters long, with a 1/2-inch hose screw fitting. Fastens for input and output, for pressure testing of pipe systems and vessels with water. Zen 10 Pipe Cleaner. Pipe reamer has 3/16 to 1 5/16 inch outside diameter capacity. Reamer is ideal for reaming on copper, aluminum, brass, and soft steel tubing. It reams quick, clean, easy inside and outside diameter beveling of tubes. Study plastic construction with long-wearing alloy steel blades can extend lifetime. Wear-resistant steel blades make the tubing cutter heavy-duty for plumbing, electrical, air conditioning installation, automotive, and do-it-yourself applications. Bottom rotating knob adjusts the tube cutter to the proper fit in a seamless, smooth movement. Specifically designed for use in restricted spaces on small diameter tubing, the Zen 10 pipe cutter makes tight cutting jobs easier. Gripper Torque Tool. This torque tool has integrated torque selection with 6-to-1 geared drive that allows you to achieve up to 880 pounds of tension with minimal effort. Select your desired tension for consistency and torque until it clicks. Allow tensioning of wire up to 400 kilograms with minimal effort due to the 6-to-1 gear drive mechanism. Whether tensioning fence wire or trellis, wire rope, or anchoring systems, the torque tensioning tool will work on all gripple units up to 6 mm diameter. The integral torque gauge controls the load applied to the wire, giving consistent tension every time and optimizing the life of the wire. Spider Tool Holster. The Pro Tool Kit provides maximum efficiency and accessibility. The tool holsters let the user carry and swap between power tools quickly, clip onto any belt, and feature a self-locking design with quick release. Tool grips work with any handheld power tool, including impact drivers, drills, reciprocal saws, hydraulic nailers, etc. The bit gripper allows for quick, easy-to-reach access for 3 to 6 driver bits right on the side of your impact driver or drill. The tool tabs lock securely in the holster without rotating and work great on tape measures. These feature a screw hole for extra secure install on your tape measure. The tool docks can be mounted in your workspace to maximize accessibility. These easily mount to a workbench, A-frame ladder, or proper vertical surface using the included self-tapping screws. Includes 2 tool holsters, 4 tool grips, 2 bit grippers, 2 tool tabs, and 2 tool docks. Sofa Socket. Power and charge up to 3 devices simultaneously from the comfort of your sofa, bed, or chair. The Sofa Socket's clever design allows you to tuck it upright between cushions, keeping it accessible at all times. No more jumping in the middle of your favorite TV show when you hear your phone beep. It'll be right by your side. King Tony Pliers Wrench. Replaces the need for sets of metric and imperial spanners, smooth jaws for damage-free installation of plated fittings. Works directly on chrome. Adjustable tightening tool and also excellent for gripping, holding, pressing, and bending workpieces. Zero backlash jaw pressure prevents damage to edges of sensitive components. Just push the button for adjustment on the workpiece. Magnetic Impact Bit Kit. The Hammerhead Impact Bit features bimetal construction and an impact-absorbing design. Hammerhead claims their impact bits last 15 times longer than regular bits and twice as long as standard impact bits. The bit grip eliminates this by using a magnetic collar with a more expensive rare earth magnet that has a holding force 4 times stronger than insert bit holders using standard magnets. Because the kit includes a standard 1/4-inch hex extender that works with 1-inch bits, I found that swapping out bits with the magnetic bit grip collar was both simple, quick, and intuitive. Plano 3D. One horizontal plane line and 2 vertical plane lines can rotate through a full 360 degrees to cover floor, ceiling, and all walls of a room at the same time. Laser lines intersect at 90 degrees to provide completely square angles on all surfaces. Each line can be displayed independently for a custom full room layout. The self-leveling feature ensures a level line display throughout the entire desired layout. The laser self-levels within 4 degrees, and when the unit is in operation in unlocked mode, it will alarm at any time it becomes out of level for any reason. When locked in manual mode, the lines can be aligned at any designed angle. The unit is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. The surface material has high grip sensitivity, and the ergonomically designed ribbed grip handle provides for stable and comfortable operation. Pocket Coax Continuity Tester. Klein Tools Wire Tracer is a pocket-sized continuity tester that can quickly trace coaxial cable, identify and test for continuity and short faults via audible beep and LED indicators. Remote beeps loudly to confirm continuity. LED lights green for continuity and red for shorts. F-adapter enables testing of loose cables and installed cable runs. Tester switches off when remote is docked to save battery life. Identifies and tests cable drops for pass, short faults, and location via audible beep and LED indicators. Wagner HT400. The HT400 Crafts Kit is a great heat gun for embossing, shrink wrapping, drying paint, and more. The hot air gun has a small footprint to easily reach into tight areas and work on delicate crafting projects. It has dual high and low temperature settings to help tackle numerous do-it-yourself and crafting projects that require heat. It has 3 operating positions for further versatility: palm, pencil, and hands-free. The kit includes multiple accessories to make your DIY projects easier. The included flare nozzle is ideal for applying heat in a wide, even pattern. The included reflector nozzle is ideal for shielding glass and other sensitive materials from heat. An 8-inch by 8-inch silicone mat comes with the kit to help protect your surface area from heat while crafting. Dead Blow Mallet. The new Dead Blow mallets with metal inserts complement the popular PB Swiss Tools Dead Blow mallets with plastic heads. 2 different metal inserts, copper and aluminum, cover a wide range of applications. Gentle strikes during assembly work, sheet metal work, straightening work, maintenance, repairs, servicing, etc. Worn and damaged inserts can be replaced quickly and easily. A good as new mallet results, which saves money in the long run and protects the environment.
And there you have it, 125 tools to take your game to the next level. If you found something awesome, hit that like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your crew. Catch you in next one. Are you ready to